Taking it up a notch, elevate your English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and widely used phrase, taking it up a notch. Whether you're watching a cooking show, listening to a motivational speaker, or just having a casual conversation, this phrase can pop up anywhere. So, let's break it down and understand what it really means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Taking it up a notch is an idiomatic expression used to describe the act of increasing the level, intensity, or quality of something. It implies making an effort to improve or enhance a situation, task, or performance. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, from personal development to professional projects. The origin of this phrase is quite interesting. It is believed to come from the world of machinery or perhaps musical instruments, where a notch would literally mean a level or a degree on a scale. Moving up a notch would mean increasing the intensity or level. Over time, it has been adopted into everyday language to signify improvement or escalation in any aspect of life. To help you grasp how to use taking it up a notch in real-life scenarios, here are a few examples. In cooking, the chef decided to take it up a notch by adding some exotic spices to the recipe. In fitness, after a month of the same routine, I'm taking it up a notch by including weight training. In work, we need to take our marketing strategy up a notch if we want to compete with the leading brands. Understanding similar phrases can enrich your English vocabulary. Here are a few with similar meanings. Stepping up the game, going the extra mile, raising the bar. Taking it up a notch is more than just a phrase. It's a motivational call to push beyond your current limits and strive for better. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to take your English learning journey up a notch with us. See you in the next video.